Did you know that the Earth literally hums? That it has a heartbeat, a shield, a secret smell, and even a hidden twin orbiting the sun with us right now? No, this isn't some conspiracy theory stuff. It's real science. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at our planet the same way again. Welcome to Wondria, the place where curiosity meets the unbelievable. If you love discovering weird, mind-blowing facts about our world and beyond, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's dive deep into the mysteries of the only home we've ever known, planet Earth.
Fact number 1. The Earth has a hidden heartbeat.
You've probably heard that the Earth has a molten core made of iron and nickel, spinning faster than the surface. But here's the twist. Scientists recently discovered that the planet's core actually beats, like a slow, deep pulse every few years. No, Earth doesn't have a literal heart, unless you count Australia's shape, but its core rhythmically changes speed and direction, kind of like a lazy cat stretching after a nap. Every 6 or 7 years, seismic waves, those little vibrations we detect after earthquakes, show that the core either speeds up or slows down a bit. It's like the Earth is saying, hold on, I need to recalibrate, and the whole planet subtly adjusts its internal clock. Scientists call this phenomenon the Earth's inner core oscillation, but honestly, planetary heartbeat sounds way cooler. Even more mind-blowing, these tiny changes can actually affect the length of our days. We're talking milliseconds, but still, technically, every few years, the planet decides to give us a little more or less time to hit the snooze button. So next time you're late to work, just say, sorry boss, the Earth's heartbeat messed with my clock.
Fact number 2. The Earth isn't really round.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Don't tell me we're going flat Earth here. Relax. The Earth is round, just not perfectly round. If you could zoom way out and look at Earth from space with super precise instruments, you'd notice it's a little bit squished. Yup, our planet is more like a slightly squashed ball, an oblate spheroid if you want to sound smart. Why? Because it's spinning. As the Earth rotates, the centrifugal force pushes the equator outward. Imagine spinning a water balloon really fast. The middle bulges out. That's basically Earth. The equator sticks out about 43 kilometers or 27 miles farther than the poles. So, if you weighed yourself at the North Pole and then at the equator, congratulations, you'd actually be a bit lighter near the equator. Not much, but hey, that's a free diet plan sponsored by physics. Oh, and it gets better. The Earth's shape keeps changing. The melting of glaciers, the shifting of tectonic plates, and the movement of ocean currents all subtly reshape our planet over time. So, if someone ever tells you they've seen the world, you can say, which version, the 2023 one or the 2025 patch update?
Fact number 3. Earth has an invisible force field, and it's a lifesaver.
You might think superheroes have cool shields, but Earth's got the ultimate one. It's called the magnetosphere, and it's literally the reason you're alive right now. Imagine the sun as this huge, angry fireball, constantly spitting out radiation and charged particles, the solar wind. Without protection, those cosmic bullets would strip away our atmosphere faster than you can say Mars. Luckily, Earth's molten core acts like a giant dynamo, generating a magnetic field that surrounds the planet and deflects most of that deadly solar stuff. You can't see it, but it's always there, working 24/7, no holidays, no coffee breaks. When these solar particles hit the magnetic field near the poles, they create something breathtaking, auroras, those dancing lights in the sky. Beautiful, right? But behind that beauty is violence, a cosmic battle between solar chaos and Earth's invisible armor. And here's the plot twist. Our magnetosphere has been weakening over the past 200 years. Scientists say it might even flip. North becomes south, south becomes north. When that happens, compasses will freak out, birds will get confused, and your GPS might start thinking you're in the middle of the Pacific. So yeah, enjoy your Wi-Fi while you can. Fact number 4. The Earth sings, and we just learned to hear it.
You've probably heard whales sing or birds chirp, but did you know the planet itself makes sound? It's called the Earth's hum, a continuous low-frequency vibration that's been happening for millions of years. No, not earthquakes. Those are way too loud. This is something softer, like the planet's background music. You can't hear it, but special instruments, seismometers, pick it up. It's basically Earth humming to itself all the time. Scientists think the hum comes from ocean waves hitting the seafloor and interacting with the atmosphere. It's so faint that it took researchers decades to confirm it was real. Imagine if Earth had a Spotify playlist. This would be Lo-Fi Planet Beats, Volume 1. The coolest part is that each continent has a slightly different tone. Africa hums differently than Asia. So if aliens ever tune into our frequency, they'll hear a very weird but beautiful planetary symphony.
Fact number 5. There's more life underground than on the surface. When we think of life on Earth, we picture forests, oceans, and jungles. But here's a mind-bender. There's more life beneath your feet than above it. Scientists have found that nearly 70% of Earth's bacteria and microorganisms live deep underground, miles below the surface, in total darkness, under insane pressure. There are entire ecosystems we've never seen, microbes living off minerals, feeding on gases, surviving in temperatures hotter than boiling water. Basically, real-life aliens hiding right here on Earth. If you combined the mass of all underground life, it would outweigh every human on the planet several times over. So technically, we're just the noisy roommates living on the roof of a giant microbial apartment complex. And here's the kicker. These underground microbes could help us understand life on Mars or other planets. Because if something can survive 3 miles below Earth's crust, it can probably handle Mars just fine. So yeah, next time you step outside, say hi to the billions of invisible neighbors living under your shoes. Fact number 6. The oceans are full of gold. Literally.
People always dream about treasure hunts, but here's the crazy truth. The real treasure is already under our noses, well, under the waves. Scientists estimate that there are around 20 million tons of gold dissolved in Earth's oceans. Yeah, tons. Every single liter of seawater contains tiny bits of gold, but here's the catch. They're so spread out that you'd need to filter billions of liters just to make a small ring. So don't quit your job yet to go panning in the Pacific. But that's not all the oceans are hiding. There are shipwrecks, undiscovered species, and entire underwater rivers. Yep, rivers under the sea. Some flow through dense salt layers and look like glowing underwater worlds. In short, the ocean isn't just Earth's final frontier. It's like a massive, mysterious vault filled with secrets and a ridiculous amount of liquid bling.
Fact number 7. Earth once had 2 moons.
Okay, this one sounds straight out of sci-fi, but it's backed by research. Billions of years ago, Earth didn't have just 1 moon, it had 2. Scientists think a smaller baby moon once orbited alongside the big one. Eventually, the smaller moon crashed into its sibling in a slow-motion cosmic collision. The result? The moon we see today, slightly lopsided with one side thicker than the other. Basically, our moon is a cosmic Frankenstein built from 2 ancient lunar bodies that merged in one epic smash. So when you're staring at the moon thinking, it looks kind of uneven, well, that's because it's wearing the scars of an ancient celestial brawl. Fact number 8. Time moves differently on Earth, depending on where you are. This one will melt your brain a bit. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, time actually flows at different speeds depending on your position on Earth. If you live at the top of a mountain, you're technically aging slightly faster than someone at sea level. Why? Because gravity is weaker higher up.
and weaker gravity means time ticks faster. Don't panic, we're talking nanoseconds per year. You won't suddenly turn old if you go hiking. But this isn't just theory. Scientists measured it with atomic clocks. So if you ever needed an excuse for being late, you can say, "Sorry, I live in a different time zone." Literally.
Fact number 9. The air you breathe is older than the dinosaurs.
Take a deep breath. That air in your lungs? Yeah, some of those same oxygen molecules once passed through the lungs of a T-Rex. Because Earth's atmosphere has been cycling for billions of years, we're all constantly rebreathing ancient air. Molecules get reused endlessly through plants, oceans, volcanoes, and us. Every breath you take connects you to every living creature that's ever existed. Kind of poetic, right? You're sharing oxygen with Cleopatra, Shakespeare, and a bunch of dinosaurs who never brushed their teeth. So yeah, next time someone tells you to take a breath, remember, you're literally inhaling history.
Fact number 10. The Earth and Moon are secretly dancing.
Here's a romantic one. The Earth and the Moon are locked in an eternal cosmic dance. Each year, the Moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters, 1.5 inches, farther away from Earth. It doesn't sound like much, but over millions of years, that adds up. The Moon used to be much closer. Back then, a day on Earth lasted only about 18 hours. As the Moon pulls away, Earth's rotation slows down. So technically, the Moon is giving us longer days. Thanks, buddy. But it's not a one-sided relationship. Earth's gravity also pulls on the Moon, shaping its orbit and even its surface. They're basically that old couple who've been together so long they can't function without each other. Someday, billions of years from now, Earth and Moon will drift so far apart that total solar eclipses will no longer happen. So if you get to see one, cherish it. You're witnessing a love story 4.5 billion years in the making. So, what did we learn today? That our planet hums, breathes, glows, beats, and even ages differently in different places. It's not just a rock floating in space. It's a living, changing, miraculous world. And the best part? We're still discovering new things about it every year. There's always another mystery waiting just below the surface, or several kilometers under it. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. Because the more we learn about Earth, the more we realize how little we truly know. If you enjoyed this journey through our incredible planet, hit that subscribe button to join Wondria, where curiosity never stops and every video takes you closer to the wonders of the universe.